Well, I've been trying to film this woodpecker. There's been an eagle soaring overhead and a mink snuck up behind me. Of course, today I have my pet with me, so naturally its instinct is to chase, so I had to stop videotaping for a while because I don't think the two would mix together very well. So she has her warnings to stay by my tripod here. Let's see if we can get some better shots of the woodpecker. Up there, it's quite a ways away. It's hard to get closer to because of the creek. Hopefully we won't pick up too much wind on the mic, as you can see it's still shaking the camera a little bit here. So there I just witnessed an evidence of two woodpeckers. One came up behind me. I couldn't get it on the camera. And they both went over to the same tree, but then one darted off, so that is good. Now whether they're a pair or not, I don't know. But I wasn't prepared for that. It was a pleasant surprise.